is the elevator building E of the Wemrock Professional Mall, or so it's called, in Freehold, New Jersey, and... Oh, you're kidding me. 3 chimes for up. Get your old bumper and an older GAL interlock. Get you a good cab view. It's your basic office building elevator, and the exact address will be in the description, or title. Sales, service, and repair. Phone. Come on. Ooh, it's like a sign up there. It's torn up. The electric eye is off. Wow. No indicator up there. GAL interlock. Here's the rest of the building. Lovely bell. And because we can, we will do the impact cam. Now close, stupid thing. Basic GAL Jet Plus fixtures is a sales, service, and repair elevator. 2,000 capacity. There's your emergency light, no indicator. Oh, and only chimed once when I reopened the door. Very interesting. Don't know what that's supposed to mean. And apparently there's an electric eye here, but I can't see it. Almost closed on me. And that's it.